Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones setups for today. When I look at this and I look at the S&P 500, I can just see two complete different charts. So yesterday we were talking about a potential cup and handle here. It's still very much in play. We're still very much in amongst the moving averages. What's concerning me is look at the separation of the oscillators here. So this is starting to look like we're looking for some kind of a rejection or a move to the downside, and that 39,020 looks to me like it is the potential rejection. The other thing that is brewing here is a trend line rejection, or is it a trend line break? There's nothing really exciting that is happening here that is indicating that we are moving one way or the other. So get down to the 3-hour, and now we have this flat top triangle. We've got a crossover of the slow moving averages, but we're in amongst all the moving averages, so we are ranging. We are at the trend line. It does look like we've broken through the trend line at the moment, but it is after hours trade, so I'm not going to read too much into that. And then when we get down to the hour, we have maintained ourselves above the moving averages, so it starts looking a little bit more bullish. But the higher time frames is a little bit scary, because it looks like it's more of a bearish setup on the higher time frames than what we've seen on the lower time frames. So let's just get, I just want to put this level in here. We'll talk about it now on the 15-minute. So look at this massive move down, massive gap down. No real structure. There's your level, and we just barrel through it before moving to the upside. So this volatility, I suspect, on the Dow is going to continue today and tomorrow. We've got non-farm payroll still to come, and we do have some other data coming out today, so that's going to impact us. But I'm not entirely convinced of what's going to happen here. The S&P 500 is obviously rallying together with the tech stocks, with the Nasdaq's on a tear as well. So I would focus there, and the DAX is also looking like it's setting up for something quite interesting. So that's where my focus would be. I definitely don't think I want to be fiddling here on the Dow Jones, trying to second guess a move. For me, we're going to have to get some clear breaks, and the clear break is still the same as what it's been pretty much all week, and that is of 38,843. I need price to get a proper break above it, come back and test the zone. That would get me long. But at the moment, we are forming a series of higher lows, but we're not forming any higher highs. So that's what I'm waiting for. Give me a higher high, come back, test the break, and then we will get in long on the Dow Jones. But for now, it is patience. If we do start dropping below the low of yesterday, I'll actually even just the structure at 38,600. So if you drop below 38,600, come back and test it. That's going to be a short setup, which is then going to basically confirm what looking like it could be a flag on the 8-hour. So that's my view today. Patience. If it does get going to the upside, we're definitely in on it, because it would be the most logical long-term or medium-term setup, should I say. But it is kind of a wide range at the moment. So if you look at those levels, just look left, look at all the interaction there. It's not going to be an easy break. So yeah, patience is key here as well. Anyway, I'd rather focus on the S&P 500 if you want to trade US markets today. There is structure there. There's a fairly decent opportunity there than what there is here. You'll probably find this will settle out next week and then get some direction. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.